Have you ever wondered about the top 5 Civil War monuments and memorials? Well, today we're going to delve into the echoes of the Civil War, a monumental era that shaped our world. We'll traverse the landscapes of history, visiting 5 poignant monuments and memorials. These remarkable sites serve as timeless reminders of a past steeped in struggle, sacrifice, and resilience. So, fasten your seatbelts for a fascinating journey. Join us on a journey through time as we explore these poignant reminders of our past. First, we start our journey in Washington, D.C. at the African American Civil War Memorial. This poignant monument is dedicated to the United States colored troops, commemorating the approximately 200,000 African American soldiers who played a pivotal role in the Civil War. The memorial serves as a significant reminder of their bravery, endurance, and the invaluable contributions they made in the fight for freedom and equality. It truly is a powerful tribute to the brave souls who fought for freedom and equality. Next, we travel to the Confederate Memorial in Arlington National Cemetery. This monument, a testament to reconciliation, evokes the multifaceted nature of our history. Its intricate design captures the essence of the Confederate soldiers, while its location in this hallowed ground serves as a reminder of their role in our nation's story. The memorial's key features are a testament to the valor and courage of those it commemorates, a monument that reflects the complexities and challenges of a nation divided. Our journey continues to the Soldiers' National Monument at Gettysburg. Standing tall at the heart of the battlefield, this monument marks the very spot where Lincoln delivered his iconic Gettysburg Address. The monument itself is a testament to the courage and valor of the soldiers. It's adorned with intricate carvings, each telling a unique story of the Battle of Gettysburg. This monument serves as a poignant reminder of the bravery and sacrifice that marked this turning point in the Civil War. A symbol of courage and sacrifice in one of the war's most significant battles. Finally, we head to Atlanta, Georgia, to explore the Peace Monument, and then back to Washington, D.C. for the iconic Lincoln Memorial. The Peace Monument, a poignant symbol of reconciliation and the tragic cost of the Civil War, stands tall in Atlanta. It depicts a lion and a woman in a powerful tableau, representing the courage and compassion that drove the nation forward amidst the heart-rending loss. The monument is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a beacon of hope amidst the echoes of war. On our return to Washington, D.C., the Lincoln Memorial greets us with its towering grandeur. This awe-inspiring edifice pays tribute to Abraham Lincoln's pivotal role in preserving the Union and abolishing slavery. Its neoclassical architecture is a testament to Lincoln's enduring legacy, with each column representing a state at the time of his passing. 2 powerful monuments that remind us of the war's lasting impact and the pursuit of peace and equality.